Hey guys, this is MBBGG, which is, we just got this in today. It's called Flurp Noise Putty. Okay, this is proud sponsor Mini Beyblade Geeks.
Mini Beyblade Geeks fart.
It's so weird. You want to hold the camera?
Sure.
First you do this. Make a fart sound. Try to.
Alright. Now throw it at a blank wall.
Let's see. Oh my wiggly look.
Samurai Ifrid.
Oh.
It bounces.
Up in the ceiling.
Hey Daniel, can you hold it real quick?
Yes, sir.
Here you go.
Here, let me show you how it's done.
Okay.
Alright.
Whoa, epic catch. Nice.
Hold on.
Is that an
I know how to
airplane
do
on
this.
ceiling?
Okay, here we go.
No.
Oh.
Again.
I think it's fail, kind of.
No. Where's the? Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, I found the rubber band for the
Oh, record. Thanks.
record.
Okay.
silly man.
Yeah.
A lot of silly man.
Hey, guess what I found? Your semi defense.
Oh.
That reminds me. I love silly man.
Okay, sorry guys. I'm just gonna just add the semi defense on.
Well, later guys, because we really have nothing else to say. Goodbye.
As always.
Wait.
As
Always, geeks.
Geeks.